Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Memamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Asemesi na asemwe a esi. One hwene kan obeka asai no. Obi be bisa say Melodies na dey na okay. Answer me beto aso no subscribe na click the notification bell. Eno ene da screen so sisi a. We hear the latest news be about one sa ebeka. Let me explain matters to you. The team makers are same way one hwene kan obeka asai no ene say the person na ade we eto no we a politician. Na monim say Ghana ha say bibi boni eto politician na nkrofo bi eye wo madwe say wo mu di politician ewu a. Ya hwe ni ye a na ye kọ akọbọ the opposition political party edin say ebia wo mo ena wo ye ne sa. It could be say ebia because of politics na ye kọ ye say ni pakro ne sa. It could be say ebia wo no ankasa ne party kra mu ena ne sa. There's also that possibility say ebia opposition na ne sa. But it could be say aside the person being a politician no, he's a normal person as well. He's a human being. Ebia na wakwa kan asembia for obi ho emfa politics ho kra, but because the person is a politician na draw political links. Now answer na yeden sem ne beba na subscribe na click the notification bell on so we yan say latest news be about one sa ebeka metro say na obeye e screen so and na that screen so sisia obesa o try wadwen wa same way so and asembia na your number at that screen na say you can send us a text message or an audio recording yes memfre obesa join your WhatsApp group in so link no our description box ni mu wo click ya obe join the group no yam konsem ni mu ukọ bole NDC for wo deputy organizer Bole Bamboy say Bole Bamboy ye baby ana Mahama or ye MP. I stand to be corrected, but I think that was the constituency ana Mahama ye MP. Now NDC for eti so ewo ho. Now it's in the Savannah region. Wo deputy organizer your friend Samuel, Mr. Samuel Sansa Gonzo mambo dini ya mo fanchame. Na Mr. Samuel nyami edina fofi enye sa nankende yenti asemde assassination attempts bi nanka eba ne so ahomache around 1 AM 2 AM ena nipa bonefo bi eko ne fie se nanka wo moko akọ dinewu asembe ne siye na etiefo wada around 1 AM ena wo bi ebebo ni window nano kokoko Mr. Samuel, mepesi ene okasa. Woye politician. We say it is very normal. Say as a politician, as a political head in that area no. Nkrofo to me ba ebe friend na homachin omu hia mboa ne nyama bia. Wa woni say politicians election e ba say nti wo from time bia na wo mepene. Nti no wo say ono de wo pie ye. Now, wo pie ye no e na tre say wo call ne door na no. We hu say wo bi agina ho. Ena wako ni window nano ko say na hwan na oba bebo mu because a window nano na nepa ko no eboye na nepa ko no bo window nano no obviously nepa ko nim say enye window nim na obepie fi e door no nti nepa ko no bo window nano no onim say nepa ko be hia no wo door nano ba nepa ko no oni ho na fe ko window nano no hu say enkrofo bi wo na wo bia tobo bo na eba ne so enkrofo na ejina window nano no o twi ne nim ano mo tobo e no dodge ye oye laki bo kese bi odoje ya na afi ngrofo yi sha sese wo mo taa ne so nti wentumi anduane ankɔhye ne fie kra wo dwane si krom e na afi wo kikem wo mu pemi ekumi wo mu pemi na nkɔfo yi eta ne so nti nkɔfo ne hɛ se ne wo ye dede no wo no nso sebe ne ho like wo ye fast nti wo mu ntumi ankache app no e na nkɔfo no return ne ye ekɔ ne fie na afi eja omoko peja meanwhile na ne yere ene ne mba e woni dem ho ne yere ne mba na ada wo dem ho e na nkrofo no eba ebebo mu njonu wo dwane ya wono ne nkwanti wo dwane akono e wo dwane yere ne mba na ne yere ne mba nso sabe ne yere ne nso wo nyansa wo ti se bibi se esi wo ti se ni kunu no because obeti o ti se na ni kunu o mo bebo mu no ono ni kunu na sorry ye eno o ti de ekoso abonti a wo ti se ni kunu edwane ti kwa na ne yiri ye fast ena chese wosisan nkwala no ena omo nso pieye nti ngwafo ni ko chesi na wo monya no wo mo ba back no na ne yere ne mba omo nso epia akwa baby kra na afi ngwafo page etu ni dem ho ehye ne nyama e woni dem ho ni na ene wie ya wo mo koe those living in the neighborhood no wo mo ntia because omo say e dey na ekoso yi yenti say political insensembie si wa ha say that say me be dinga ke chere no assembly si sana because the person involved is a political head ninti ya na nkrofo be ka say ebia e politics inti wa wonim Ghana for asemo aba na nkrofo asum anyway and the opposition anyway because you say papa na nkasa no wo betena ho 2 years ni na 2 years a wo betena ho a waba be di deputy organizer no edwuma wo bo no yesi enye easy campaign na wo yama NDC no esi edu twem e wo krom ho so because of the way he was very vibrant in the community and now he is very vibrant in the community because of politics you know some people feel say eye no hunti e na ye ba be di ni dwuma yi won nankasa wose wonim boni awaye wose wonye wo bia boni aside the political debates he has because to de bia no we nya political debates be with other opposition parties to nya political debate with opposition parties no ni omo etwa so it was see that is the only thing I want to say we wo krom because when you bia aside politics no ni obi any asem. Even to Onono, he's shocked, he's surprised, and he feels it is because of politics. And idea we are to know. MP now wa hono so nsem etuja. Na asema MP ne kan me read actually because what the MP is saying is say wo ti krom hono wo mo ye NDC for. It is normally a trace NDC for endorse in any other political party. But MP ne say wo bompire say ebia enye politics nti na ade we esiye wo bompire say wo bompire pa say ebia enye politics nti but wo omukoko hwem police for ye hwehwemu no mu hu ne say eye politics pa krom hofo no so they will retaliate because why NDC for Dawson obviously ela krom hofo no so mo ye nkrofobia oyi omoboni a omo ngasi yete na ho ayewe omo nso betro se omo nso omo ye mmema nto no de MP no wo bomba ese nya politics na so e politics pan dia reprisal attacks beba this is what the MP said or say if it is because Gonzob is an ardent supporter of the MP and has been in the forefront of the NDC campaign especially the Briefer communities that he was attacked then I can call the few Briefers in NPP to stop or else the fight back will be worse. But for now, I am not suggesting Briefers attack the NDC organizer. Asema waka no. Wase wano de wanka say ye NPP for na aba attack no. But say ye koko hwem ni ekohu ni say ye NPP for na aba attack papa na. NPP for wo munya so say NDC for nso ebe ye omu bi. That's what the MP waka. Asemu amene oken the police for him police for investigation na mesre police for say assembly they should try as much as possible to find the root of the matter because I hear the year in Crawford Kasao I have told you that is why initially I started telling you say Ghana has say politician bibi boni bi kotuna normally ebetumi aba say ebia papa e kra no NDC fuo bi ade bia wo ye NDC fuo bi kra no eni nje ne ho ana ne position e wo NDC no ebetumi aba say wo bi kra pesa position no e na NDC ni bi asoma say yembe ni say ebetumi aba it is a possibility mama mega the melody is it not a possibility it is a possibility because you belong to one group doesn't mean say the obia na o group number do ebetumi aba say NDC ni kra na akwakobo pass yembe ne sa say na ke yembra mbeku no because I know that they work and say we share in Crawford send ya wo buy the way they were prepared the things they were holding out to me say they came there to kill him a assassination attempt omo ba se na ko omo ba be ku no nyankopon na edi aboa no so yes police for nankasa a severe ya wo dwane wie ya na wo ye fast ekobo police for amane intino ne mma ene ne yere ne they are all safe wo mutumi edwane ko share eye neighbor bi efie ati ase o mutumi dwane ko share neighbor bi fie papa ne nso enya ne 3 didi mu yankopon di ne ho afofie intino yesra mo montra mo adwen ewo eye comment box ni mu montra mo adwen ewo comment box ni mu but this thing no police for was a mobile ne ye hwe ne kra na ansana de ye beka ne yaka